to see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity.
Honey, I got this Papa Stellar Man shirt, right? I went way back. I saw this shirt in VIM. I said, what? Papa, I gotta get this shirt. It's a must, honey. And guess who it's by? Y'all won't believe it. This is an old throwback shirt. And bam, Fat Form, though. Russell Simmons, what's up? And like, Papa, like, it's already, you know what I'm saying, a must have. So I saw this shirt. I was like, I could finesse this shirt real cute. So I decided to do the new trend they got going on TikTok. You know, the tie up, and you know they call it the baddie Instagram shirt. You know how they always making things up. So I'm here for it. And I decided to go ahead and, you know, just make this shirt work to my liking. Now, this shirt right here, to do it is very easy. It's very easy. All you gotta do is cut like 5 times, 2 in the front and 2 on the side, and then you done. Well, that's what? Yeah, 2. What, 4 times? Yeah, 4 times. I'm sorry, y'all. I just cut 4 times. I'm bugging. And after that, you good. And one more thing before I tell y'all. So people always cut from the bottom all the way to the top to the collar. Now, I'm going to do it later on in the video as I finish it. But I started to do, like, cut it, like, to the top of my breast because, you know, I don't have no breast. And I didn't want my breast to be exposed out, things like that. So I try to do something, like, different. But we'll see in the end, though. We'll see. So once I go ahead and cut the middle, I'm going to cut the 2 sides and then turn the shirt over and then cut the back. And then once that's done, I'm going to come at y'all and show y'all how it's supposed to be tied up and my finished result of how it look on me. Yeah. So yep, you had it. It's that easy, that simple, and that cute. I'm going to go ahead and try it on because I got to step outside for a minute to take care of some business. And pretty much that is it, sweethearts.
Let's
Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit.